Bay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Pag nalaman ko, ang asawa ko secretly nakikipagkita sa ex niya, ano kaya mararamdaman ko? Definitely not good. Eh bro, tigilan mo na to hanggat maaga pa. Hanggat kaya mo pa.
Kung hindi Alcantara ang apelido ko, magugustuhan mo pa kaya ako? I guess the last name Alcantara is both a gift and a curse.
Sabihin na natin na perfect tayo para sa isa't isa. Perfect yung gabing to. Pero, di ba pekto yung mundong pinagagalawan natin eh. Hindi tayo pwede para sa isa't isa.
Celebration! Oh! Nawala na ako sa SGC. Pinakawalan na ako ni Inigo.
Alam ko kung kailan ka masaya at alam ko rin kung kailan ka nagpapanggap na masaya. Sa tagal natin magkaibigan, ha? Huwag mo lokohin.
Cheers!
Natasha, I want to talk to you. Oh, what's wrong? Did I knock you down with a feather? You look surprised. Para kanina naman yan.
This is for Lola. Ang tagal ko na kasi hindi bumibisita, kaya I decided to surprise him.
Yeah, but you'll be late for work.
Yes, I'll be late for work. So if someone looks for me, just tell them I'll be running late. I'll be there before lunch. Okay? Anyway.
Wait, Natasha. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa'yo na ipapareconsider ko yung budget increase na in-approve mo for sales department. Because now that the rotating funds are dwindling in legacy, gusto ko lang siguraduhin na magandang paggagamitan ito at hindi kung sino-sino lang.
Wait, does this have anything to do with you and Third? Because I noticed that you guys are getting into so much conflict right now. What's going on?
I just want to teach your husband a lesson, that's all. I want to make a point, and I want him to know who's the boss in this house and in legacy.
Fine. But don't let this play of yours get in the way of my job. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Diana, ikaw talaga. Kung hindi kwinento sa akin ni Juliet, hindi ko malalaman kung anong nangyari sa inyo ni Inigo.
Napaka-chismoso talaga ni Juliet.
Anak, ayos ka lang ba?
Nay, huwag na akong alalahanin pa.
Alam mo, bilib na bilib ako sa'yo.
Po?
Kasi ikaw, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo sa sitwasyon mo. Ako kasi noon, hindi eh. Kung inibig ko ang tatay Cesar mo, alam kong magiging napakahirap para sa amin ang aming sitwasyon. Mayaman siya, isa lang akong empleyado. Pero ang tigas kasi ng ulo ko eh. Pinagpilitan ko yung relasyon namin. Hanggang sa dumating ako sa punto na napagod ako, tapos ayoko na.
Josh?
Natasha,
Where's Josh?
may pinabibigay siya sa'yo.
Paano niyo malalaman kung kailangan tapusin na talagang lahat?
Nung nawala ng lahat sa akin, nawala ng kaibigan ko, ang pamilya ko. Si Tatay Lucio lang tumulong sa akin. Kaya sana, Diana, kahit na ayaw mo kay Tatay Lucio, sana maintindihan mo kung bakit hindi ko siya kayang talikuran, ha? Kasi siya lang yung nandun para sa akin eh. Siya lang yung nagbigay ng lakas sa akin para ipagpatuloy ang buhay ko nung wala na si Cesar.
Hindi niyo ba pinagsisihan na pinakawalan niyo si tatay kahit siya yung pinakamahal mo?
Hindi. Dahil yun ang naging desisyon ko na humubog sa akin ngayon. Pero hindi ko pa rin ipagkakaila na umaasa akong magkatuluyan kami. Hindi man sa buhay na ito, siguro sa susunod.
By the time you're watching this, I'd most probably be on the plane right now, on my way back to the States. I actually made sure na hindi mo na ako matatawagan para makaiwas na rin ako sa galit mo. Can you say, prepared? I know what you're thinking right now. I know exactly what you think of me. You think I'm an ass. Honestly, Natasha, I can't blame you. What I did is just unforgivable. But things are better off this way, you know? Tama na rin yung umalis ako na hindi ako nagpapaalam sa'yo. I know you'd tell me to stay. And I would. Just because you asked me to. But I have to leave, Natasha. I can stay, but I choose to leave. And the reason why is you, Natasha. Just you. I just can't stand the fact that I'm not with you anymore. That every time I see you, iba yung kasama mo. Iba yung katabi mo. All I see is a woman I love married to someone else. I can't stand it na hindi ako yung nasa tabi mo. Wanting to hold your hand. Wanting to kiss you. Because honestly, Natasha, I still love you. I'm still very much in love with you. In spite of everything that's happened to us.
Someone who listens, someone
Always have.
and
I always will.
takes me just as I am.
Goodbye, Natasha.
He's not over me. He's so ready to believe in me. I know he's